Imagine predicting the next big food flavor trend, not with guesswork, but with artificial intelligence. That's exactly what McCormick Company is doing, and it's transforming how this 135-year-old global brand stays ahead of the curve in kitchens across the world. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite McCormick brand. Frank's Red Hot, Cholula, Old Bay, or maybe something new. At the center of McCormick's digital revolution is Peri, the Chief Information and Digital Officer. Just 7 months into his role, Peri is leading a full-scale transformation of the company's digital capabilities, from cloud infrastructure and cybersecurity to AI-driven flavor predictions. His approach starts with data, lots of it. McCormick taps into social media, search trends, and first-party insights to understand what consumers really want. This intelligence powers their famous flavor forecast, a tradition running for over 25 years. They've already called hits like Chipotle Korean BBQ and Swicy, a blend of sweet and spicy. This year's star? Aji Amarillo, a tropical fruity spice with a kick. But it's more than just trends. McCormick is combining 40 years of sensory data with real-time digital signals. Peri's team works across marketing, R&D, culinary experts, and data scientists to turn insights into innovation. That collaboration is how they keep creating flavors that resonate globally. Peri's digital strategy is laser-focused on value. He emphasizes use cases that actually move the needle, prioritizing data quality, strong governance, and business impact. His belief? You can't do advanced AI right without getting the fundamentals of data hygiene in place. And this transformation isn't just technical, it's cultural. Peri is elevating digital fluency across the entire company. Teams that embrace digital tools are celebrated publicly in global town halls, creating momentum and a shift in how people work. McCormick isn't just hiring for the future. It's growing digital leaders from within. AI is now embedded in critical business functions. Procurement teams use predictive analytics to forecast raw material prices. Finance and operations benefit from sharper demand forecasting. Product development is even faster, with AI suggesting ingredient swaps to speed up formulation. Looking ahead, Peri sees even more radical change. He's excited about agentic systems, smart digital agents that don't just automate tasks but collaborate with people. Imagine a future where employees focus on decision-making, while intelligent systems handle repetitive work. That's the vision McCormick is actively building toward. But for that future to work, everyone needs to understand the tools. Peri is committed to democratizing AI. His team is developing user-friendly platforms and training resources so that any employee, not just data scientists, can contribute to digital innovation. With nearly 30 years of experience, including as P&G's first chief data and analytics officer, Peri knows how to scale innovation. He's now applying that expertise at McCormick to make sure transformation isn't just possible, it's sustainable. What's next? Imagine personalized flavor experiences built on real-time data, smart sensors, and connected devices. Under Peri's leadership, McCormick is not just keeping up with the digital age, they're flavoring the future of food itself. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about where tech meets taste, check out the related video in the corner now.